Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Tinder for free without paying in 2026. First, download the Tinder app and create a free account. You can already swipe, match with people who like you back, chat with your matches and update your profile without paying. To get more matches for free, add clear photos, write a good bio and stay active by using the app regularly. You can also wait for Tinder's occasional free promotions where some premium features are temporarily available to all users. But if you're trying to get Tinder Gold, Tinder Plus, Tinder Platinum, unlimited likes, or see who liked you without paying, there isn't a legit 2026 method to do that. Any website or app claiming to unlock paid features for free is most likely a scam or could put your account at risk. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.